Hyundai has just revealed the Insteroid concept EV in Seoul, and it's taking their tiny all-electric Inster and giving it an over-the-top street racing makeover. However, the concept sits on a version of the Ioniq 5N's eGMP platform, not the underpinnings of the standard city car, which has been shortened for this purpose. Visually, the Insteroid is a stunner. Its rally-style wheel arches push the vehicle out to a full 2 meters wide, with the wheels placed outside the normal body structure for a dramatic look. The only parts shared with the regular Inster are the lights. Instead, the Insteroid boasts a bespoke front end, complete with an aggressive splitter and diffuser. It rides on massive 21-inch alloy wheels wrapped in Pirelli slicks, complemented by front aero covers and electrically adjustable wheel arch vents. At the rear, there's a tall wing featuring a Formula One-style drag reduction system, plus custom speakers integrated into what used to be the taillight area. And check this out. The charging port has been moved from the front to the rear window for a radical new look. Step inside, and you'll find a stripped-down cockpit that screams competition. It's got bucket seats, a roll cage, and a specialized instrument cluster. The rear seats, they've been replaced by playful details like a Beat House sound system and fun Space Invader graphics. Hyundai isn't stopping there. The Insteroid concept EV features a boost mode that lasts for 40 seconds, along with a drift mode that promises both competitive excitement and lighthearted driving enjoyment. While Hyundai hasn't revealed all the under-the-hood details, one thing's for sure. To justify that wild aero kit, the powertrain will need to be more than the Inster's stock single-motor drive. And since this is a concept where anything goes, we like to imagine it's rocking that 641 horsepower dual-motor drivetrain from the Ioniq 5N. Even though the Insteroid isn't destined for production, it's a bold statement of Hyundai's vision for automotive innovation and imagination.